In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete trades in TraderSync. So first, make sure you have a trade data in here on your dashboard. And on the left side, you will see there a checkbox. Now, click on that or to whatever you want to delete. And you will see here a select an action drop down option. So click on that and then you will see there a delete trades and then the chain trades privacy and the other action features, and then click the delete and then select the submit button, and then it will show you a warning, and then click yes if you want to delete it. And on the upper right corner you will see there the update for the deletion of your trades here in TraderSync. And that's it. That's how to delete trades in TraderSync. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.